Let's take a look at what we're going to be covering in Module 4. But before we do, let's review a little bit about what we learned in Modules 2 and 3. If you remember in Module 2, the objectives were, let's get reacquainted with the AdventureWorks databases. Also get you reacquainted with your SQL skills. And then appreciate the differences between operational and reporting/analytical databases. So remember that operational databases are really good for capturing lots of transactions, but they're really not that great for reporting. Conversely, data warehouses or reporting analytical databases are designed for reporting and analysis. And in Module 3, we explored the importance of data integration to business intelligence projects, and we use SQL Server Integration Services, or SSIS, to extract, transform, and load, or ETL, data. Well, there's lots of different flavors of BI. We're about to embark on exploring some of the different reporting solutions. And the standard one is standard reporting. That's like if you were to get a bill or a hard copy report, a lot of times that is what we call standard reporting. It's the same format all the time, and a lot of times it's produced in great quantity. Later on, we're going to be looking at some analytical tools in OLAP, and then later we'll be looking at some data visualization tools. We're not really going to get into predictive analytics or data mining in this course, but there are other courses at Bellevue College that do cover that. So standard reporting, it's kind of old school, but it's still relevant. You use that to get professional quality reports. They really provide the ability to create professional quality reports from a variety of data repositories, including relational databases and multidimensional databases. And these tools are often used by the IT organization to create reports for end user departments. So while these tools are useful for regular needs, the reports developed often provide only limited interactivity, so the business user is not able to interact with the data in new and creative ways. Report writers are not designed to be easy for the developers, but the finished report should be very simple for the end users. You're going to find as you get into this module that creating these reports can be a little tedious because you have to be very exact on where you click. Just deal with it. The only way to get proficient with these tools is to create a lot of them, a lot of reports, and we're not going to really do that in this course. We're just going to kind of introduce you to it. The tool we're going to use is SQL Server Reporting Services, or SSRS, and competitors to it are tools like Crystal Reports, Oracle's BI Publisher, Actuate, and there's a bunch of other ones. They allow you to create pixel-perfect reports that can be reused repeatedly and scheduled and distributed. They may allow a little interactivity, but not a lot of interactivity. I think most people get frustrated when they are first introduced to this kind of report development. Follow along with the videos and you should be fine. Keep in mind that some of the locations of the options have changed with different software versions, but explore it and you should be able to find things. If you get too bogged down, post a question on the discussion board or email me and we'll try and work through it. Don't get too frustrated, but try. A little bit of frustration is probably normal, but look at the videos. They go into great detail and you should be able to get through this.